Hello, today we're going to go over the lesson solid cylinders. Alright, the first two formulas you need for this are called lateral area of a cylinder, which is LA equals 2 pi r times the height, and the total area, which is TA equals 2 pi RH, which is your lateral area, times 2 pi r squared. Alright, let's say we have a cylinder with a radius of 2 and a height of 4. First thing we're going to do is find the lateral area. So LA equals 2 pi times our radius of 2 times our height of 4. We're just going to leave everything in pi too. So 2 times 4 is 8. So it's 16 pi. Now we want to know the total area, but first we have to find the lateral area. So now we take what we just got at the 16 pi, and we add to it 2 pi r squared, but I'm just going to put my radius in. So that's 4 times 2, which is 8 pi, plus 16 pi equals 24 pi. And you can multiply that out to get the answer. But that is how you find your total area of the cylinder. Find your lateral area, then just add together with the 2 pi r squared to get. And while we're at it, we're going to find the volume also. So our volume is pi r squared h. So our radius is 2, so pi times 2 squared times my height of 4 gives me 4 times 4, which is 16 pi. And that's your volume. All right, for our second example, we're going to use the radius of 4 and the height of 5 to find all of this. So we do the lateral area first, 2 times pi times our radius of 4 times our height of 5. So that's 20, so that's 40 pi. Now we want to find the total area. So I take my 40 pi and I add to it 2 pi r squared, which is 16 times 2, so that's 32 pi, plus 45 pi, which gives you 72 pi. And if we want to find the volume, we already have our radius, so that's 4 squared times our height of 5. 16 times 5 is 80. And we don't have units, so units cubed. Alright, for this one, I'm giving you the radius and I'm giving you what the lateral area equals. What is our height? Alright, so we set this up as 70 pi, because we know our lateral area, equals 2 pi times our radius of 5 times h. So it gives us 10 pi times h. Divide this whole thing by 10 pi. Divide this by 10 pi, and your answer is 7 is your height. That's all you have to do, because the pi's cancel out, and 7 divided by 10 is it. Alright, and this is the last one I'm going to do. I have a volume of 320 pi and a height of 5. What is my radius? So 320 pi equals pi times x squared, or I'll just leave it as radius, I guess, times my height of 5. So that gives me, I'm going to divide this whole thing by 5 pi, divide this by 5 pi, pi goes away, this gives me 64, right, that's 64 equals r squared, square root, because it's the opposite of squaring, 8 equals your radius. Alright, this was a pretty quick lesson, I just did some examples, I hope this helped you out, and good luck.